Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see how to create a vector based on this picture, okay? In my case it is another picture of Shawn Mendes. In your case it should be the picture of yourselves, okay? So we start creating a new file here, okay? And I'm going to say the measurement should be in inches, okay? And I'm going to make it of 11 inches width. No, I mean 10 inches width, as requests the activity, and 8 inches height, okay? You can flip them in case that your portrait is, in case that your picture is portrait, right? So, I create it like that, and then I go to the picture, say select all, then copy, okay? I'm using the menus so that you can clearly see what I'm doing, okay? And say edit paste. Okay, there we go. So then, what we're going to do is just move the picture a bit to leave it like center, okay, that better. Okay, fine, and then to start working with it, it is necessary that we create a new layer, okay? So for that, you click on the button of new layer over here, okay, and double click the layer. Let's assign a name. The name will be outline, okay, because here we're going to create all the contour of every shape of the face, okay, the mouth, the nose, the eyes, eyebrows, ears, everything in here, okay. Okay, so for that we're going to work with the pen tool, but the pen requires also the brush tool, so please verify that in the brush tool you have selected a size that is of only 2 pixels, okay, and the type of brush is soft round, okay, 2 pixels soft round. Hit enter. Okay, there. The other thing to verify is that the color is a dark color, could be gray or black, okay, whatever, but that is a dark color to trace the contour of the shape. Once you have done that, we go to the pen tool, okay, verify that you have the path option selected, okay, and we will start tracing, in this case, let's say the skin, okay, all the part that has skin. Check it. If I want to trace a curve, guys, you can keep it clicked, the pen tool, okay, and kinda drag these lines that help you trace a curve, okay. You can make them as big as you need, okay, so that you can trace simply the curve that the picture has, okay. I'm not going to make it this accurate because I don't want to spend a lot of time on this tutorial, okay, but try to do your best for the activity. Whenever you make a mistake, you can say undo, right? Okay, so I will go all the contour of the skin. Clicking and clicking. And I should finish in the same point where I started, okay? If you see there's a small circle that is telling me that I'm getting to the end of this path, okay? I close there, click there, sorry. And then you need to right click over this, okay, over the line that you have, and say stroke path, okay? It will ask you if you want to use which tool to trace this, okay, to trace the stroke. We're going to leave the brush as it says, and we say okay. And then hit intro again, okay. Do you see the effect? I hope that you can see it. Let me hide the picture and see what happened there. Okay, so we have contoured the skin part of Shawn in this case. Okay, now I will continue with the hair. I'm just going to make the hair and the mouth, okay, for you. So check it. I can start again, okay, but from a line that I already have, okay. I will start like over, let's say over here, okay, tracing all the contour of the hair. Okay, and you can close or try to close at least in the line that we already created for the skin, okay, there. And then, I mean, we're not closing with this new contour, we're closing with the previous line. Then right click over the line, say again stroke path, okay, say okay and enter, and let's verify, hiding the picture, just verify that you really closed the lines, okay. If you haven't, just complete the closing and that will be fine. Okay, let me finish with the mouth here, okay. So I will go clicking and clicking. You can zoom your picture, of course, if you want to make it better. I did a mess kinda here. Okay, let me retry to correct. In order to make a better shape. Okay, I right click, say stroke path, enter, enter. Okay, that's it. So we're done with it, let's say, okay. If you want, you can continue with everything. I mean, you should continue with everything. Now, to trace a bit the wrinkles that appear here and are part of the picture, right, to outstand what is the expression of him, what we can do is change, instead of using the path, use the shape, okay. And this way we can start tracing these wrinkles, okay, and they will automatically appear, do you see? But the other thing that appears automatically is a new layer, okay. So this layer, I'm going to call it wrinkle. Just to know what is it about, okay. And then if I want to trace, oh sorry, okay, I didn't finish with intro there, okay. To start another wrinkle, okay, I will need to continue doing that. I hit enter to finish. This is wrinkle 2. I can also trace, for example, here the contour of the lips, okay, and finish it over there. Hit intro. And well, that's it. So this is another wrinkle, wrinkle 2, and this is lip line, okay, there. So you're supposed to outline all the face, okay, the eyebrows, the eyes, everything, the nose. Okay, so once we have finished with this outlining task, we're going to create a new layer, okay, and I'm going to call it just solid back, because it should have a solid color, okay. So I'm going to hide the original layer of the picture, okay. We go here and selecting your bucket tool, that should be located here. If it is not, keep it click and say edit toolbar, okay, and just drag and drop your paint bucket tool, that it should appear over here, okay. Let me show you. Over here, well, doesn't show here because this one was over here. I just drag drop it and say done, okay. So choosing this bucket tool, select clear color, okay, whichever, and simply click on the layer. Okay, that's it. Apparently everything disappeared, right? But it is still there. What we need to do is just move this layer down, okay, and set it after the picture, just okay, but we're going to keep it hidden. We will need that layer just to allow to start selecting elements from the outline, okay, with the magic wand, right? And remember, as the magic wand requires to have the same color, we will have it with this solid background, okay? So we will be selecting and coloring specific areas of the face. So for example, if I want to select, let's say, the part of the hair, okay, I will click in the outline, select the magic wand, click over the hair, okay, and then I can like extend a bit the selection to include exactly, let me show you, the contour that we have just traced. That can be done by doing in select, modify, and say expand 2 pixels, okay, as that, right? Now what we're going to do is using the bucket tool, okay, we're going to paint the hair, but using in the color, okay, you can select the eye drop here to choose a color that looks natural, a color of his hair, right? So something as that, I would say okay, and I simply come here and click, okay, that's it. I know that it seems like a cap here, right? But don't worry, be happy. At a moment we're going to include more detail on our drawing at this moment, okay? So now I will continue. This should be on a separated layer, okay? So once that you have selected and you're ready to paint, just include a new layer, okay, and move it to the top of all the other layers and name it with the name of the element that you're going to color. Here it will be the hair, okay, so that I can make it appear and disappear as that. Fine. Okay, now let's try to color the skin part, okay, all the skin area. So for that I will need to move back to the outline, okay, using the magic wand, click on the skin part, say again select, modify, expand, and okay, to include even the outline. Fine. Okay, then I go and create my new layer over the hair, okay, and this will be the skin, okay, and then you choose again the bucket tool, okay, the bucket, and in the color we're going to pick a part of the skin that you want to use as coloring for all the skin. There it goes, okay, and I simply clicked. This is the skin. Now you see it, now you don't, okay, there it goes. It is a separated element, and we'll proceed to do the same with the mouth, okay. So there I go. I will do this with, again, I choose the outline, okay, and there I go and I select the magic wand. You can deselect first, you know, because everything continues being selected. I say deselect, click on the magic wand, and then I go to select just the mouth, okay, entirely. I say select, modify, expand, okay, as that. And there I create another layer. Sorry, it wasn't here, it was supposed to be over the skin. So I select the skin, I create a new layer, and this I will call it mouth. Fine. And there using the bucket I will come and choose again the color of the mouth, okay, like over there, and I say okay, and then I come and simply fill it, okay. If you watch carefully, something happened, okay, that is, I'm going to deselect, okay, that is the lip line disappeared, right, once that we painted over. But the thing is that you can move it like over the mouth layer, do you see, and then voila, it is there still, okay, and I can deselect to see what is our final artwork at this point, okay. This is as far as we got right now, okay, in this tutorial. Sorry, I would like to do a zoom out. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, let me change the zoom as that. That's better. Okay, so as you may see, this is a part of the picture. You're supposed to do it all, okay, with your portrait. So please continue doing it, okay. In the next class, we're going to see how to add the detail, okay, the fine detail to the picture and make ours look better with shadows and everything, okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please bring your picture ready, okay, with this type of vectorizing, let's say, for the next class. Okay, thanks for your attention. Bye bye. I'm back again. Something more that I was forgetting to tell you, and I would like you to know. It's in the case that you're having many layers, okay, and you are getting kind of confused between all of them. What you can do is arrange them in folders, okay. So let me show you how. You can, for example, here hide the color window that was over here, so that you can have more space to handle your layers, right? But besides of that, I can create a folder, for example, for all the wrinkles, okay, that I have many there, and we should have more truly to make it really expressive. So I can say this will be all the wrinkles, okay, and I move the folder there at the point where the wrinkles are, right? So then you choose them all. If there were more, you choose them all and just drag drop them to this folder, so that then you can close the folder and you don't have all these layers showing off, okay. So it is as that. This can help you to arrange better your layers and not to get confused. Okay, now I'm really gone. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.